Alright. Medieval kingdom. Got some armored. Not too bad. Oh, I gotta jump, not jump so high. I got this new jumping mod. Really enjoying it. There we go. Wow, they're really on me. I have to get back. I have to get back away from these ones. Fall back. That one disappeared. Alright, here we go. The gore mod's pretty good too. I got the one of the newer gore mods. I don't have any scripting stuff yet, so I'm just doing plain old Blade and Sorcery Nomad for a while. See if up here for a second. See if I can get up here. So it'll be something I can do. Just hover around for a minute. Drop them. They're just on me too much. I have to try and eliminate. It said 3 versus 1, but this is definitely more than 3. I like the effects on the sword. They just added that. Cosmic. Man, here we go. We could, that's where they're coming out of, from this area I'm standing in. I guess that's one of the main spots they come out of for this one. Let's see if I can do some real magic here. Ame. Ame. Ah. Did I get him? Yeah, I got him. Alright. That was fun. See what we can do. How'd that be? Okay, alright. Here we go. Stay back. Just get back. They're really on me. And they're all armored, so I have to like slash them in the face. Pretty much, right? Like, they might have weak parts in their armor, but I haven't been paying attention. It's dark. I don't know if it seems dark to you guys, but it's a little dark. I actually think I might put my headset even darker. Just so I can use the torch. These guys are doing their thing. Making me sweat a little bit. I just get hit again. Get hit again. Alright. Back up. I could use some solid footwork over here. Okay. Oh man, that was not intended. That was horrible. I like that you can fly with the sword. You can hold it right in front of them and it'll just stab, and hit the trigger. If you're not off the ground, if you're off the ground, it makes you fly.